Social Science, Grade 3, Block 13, Our State by Teacher Shikha. Our Heritage and Culture. Student can identify the geographical, culture and social features of the state they live in and same other states in India. Additionally, student can identify how clothes, food or buildings may change in other places. So grade 3 children, what we will learn about in this chapter: our state, the borders of our state, things that tell us about our state, the state of India, states of India. The borders of our state. Have you noticed how two rooms share a wall, children? Similarly, our state and the state near it share a border. A border is a line that is decided by the government. It tells us which areas belong to our state and where the next state begins. We see border lines mostly in maps, things that tell us about our state. Reading few examples from your text. Joseph's mother counted the sacks of jawar from their farm. She told him that jawar grows very well in Maharashtra and that many dishes that he likes are made with it. Another example, when Amar visited Selvi in Tamil Nadu, he was amazed to see what she was wearing. It was a long skirt and blouse made from silk and golden threads. Selvi said many girls in Tamil Nadu wear such clothes made from special silk cloth. And third example, Zubeda lives in Telangana and went with her mother to see the Charminar in Hyderabad. Her mother told her a king got the Charminar built more than 400 years ago. At that time, it was the center of Hyderabad. Many artists worked to make this a beautiful building. Monuments like this tell us about the history, people, and art of our state. Food, clothes, and buildings tells us about our state. What else can tell you about your state, children? States of India, Kerala. Kerala is a state in southern India. It is near the Arabian Sea. A lot of dishes here includes fish and rice. Kerala is famous for spices like pepper. People here speak Malayalam, English and other languages. Kerala has beautiful forests and mountains. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital city of Kerala. Manipur. Manipur is a state in eastern India. Manipur has many mountains and lakes. Laktak is a large and beautiful lake in the state. A lot of dishes of Manipur are made from rice, vegetables, and fish. Some people speak Meiteileon, but many other languages are spoken too. The capital of Manipur is the large city of Imphal. Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is a state in northern India. It is in the Himalayas and has snowy mountains. Very beautiful. The common food items of Himachal Pradesh are vegetables, wheat, meat, and rice. The people of Himachal Pradesh speak Pahadi languages and Hindi. Shimla is the capital city of the state. Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state in western India like Kerala. It is near the Arabian Sea. It has many beautiful mountains. As we all know, Saharadri range, which people go to for fun. dishes in Maharashtra are made from rice, jawar, and wheat. The people of Maharashtra speak Marathi and other languages. Mumbai is the largest city and the capital of the state. The keywords from glossary: border, a line decided by the government to divide states and countries. Jawar, a grain grown and eaten in many parts of India. Pepper, the very yummy flavor of pepper, a dried fruit used as a spice. Another important point, children, did you know the Laktak Lake in Manipur has many floating islands called Fumdes in it? Lesson is very informative, children. It would be great if you do reading of this lesson and try to find some more details about the states of India, how many states are there, and the culture of India. Little facts you have to find which will be like a fact fun finding for you. Have a great day ahead, children. Take care of your near and dear ones. Thank you. Bye bye.